Hello my dear friends, I just came home, received the parcel, and here should be, of course, couple of fragrances from the fragrance one. This is the packaging slip, and here is the Office for Men. The first bottle, Office for Men. The second bottle, Club for Men, and Office for Men, the third bottle. So office, so 3 office fragrances and Club for Men. But I'm quite interested in this fragrance Club for Men because this one is saying Extrait de Parfum, so I'm really curious how this fragrance smells. So let's open this fragrance. And again, I really wanna open this fragrance, and the bottle, I want it to be like that, but it's other way around. So I'm just hopefully Jeremy is going to do it right. So this is Club for Men, Extrait de Parfum. So let's see. This is sweet. Sweet vanilla, this kind of ultra male vibe all the way through. So this is just a first impression. This is like the ultra male on steroids, believe me. So if you love ultra male, this one is going to be very nice for you. And of course, I didn't pay the full asking price which Jeremy asks, so I didn't pay the full asking price, so wait for offers. Let's unbox Office for Men. And again, I must turn the bottle like that in order to have this beautiful unboxing. And this is a fragrance which I'm quite familiar with because I had this fragrance long time ago. And this fragrance smells to me like a combination between Creed Aventus, or at least in the opening I can smell this pineapple fruity vibe. Creed Aventus with a kind of Dior Sauvage vibe there. And of course the performance of this when I had it back in 2021, I think, was very good. So this fragrance was a very good performer. And of course, if you want, the full review is going to be here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, take care of you. Bye bye.